Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a list in your SharePoint site. So without further ado, let's climb straight in. So what we're going to do right from here, when we are viewing our site, we're going to go up to the top right hand side and you're going to look for the settings icon, and from here you'll see all of your SharePoint settings. Here you're going to look for site contents, and you'll actually be able to see all the contents of your site. Okay, so let's travel down here. You can see the type is a list. We're looking for a list, and what we're going to do is literally just go ahead, hit the three dots, and we're going to click on delete. All right, now what will happen is this will send it to the recycle bin. You can click on delete, it'll be gone, and it'll sit in your recycle bin over here for 30 days. Now what you can do from here is actually select it, and you can actually remove it straight from here by clicking on the delete button, or you can restore it if it was deleted by accident.